In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting problem based on one-dimensional random variable. Let us see one problem. Find the probability density function of a one-dimensional random variable capital X if the cumulative distribution function capital F of x equal to 0, x less than 0. Second one, x square by 2, x varies from 0 to 1. If x varies from 1 to 2, f of x equal to k into 4x minus x square. If x greater than or equal to 2, the cumulative distribution function capital F of x equal to 1. What is how to find the probability density function of the given capital F of x? Okay. So using a properties of a distribution function, we are going to find a small f of. Okay. So what is given? Capital F value is given, which means cumulative distribution is given, right? So what is your first function? 0 if x less than 0. What is second question? X square by 2, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. What is third question? K in x minus x square if x varies from 1 less than or equal to x. What is fourth one? Fourth one is 1 if x greater than or equal to 2, right? So this is given question. What is our target? We need to find a small f of x. Okay, so we know that. So we find a small f of x by using properties of a distribution function. That is nothing but small f of x equal to d by dx of what? Capital F of x. Okay, so using this function, I am going to find a small f value. Coming to first interval. First interval is what? Here constant is there. What is differentiation of constant? That means what is d by dx of c? That is always right? So differentiation of constant is 0. Here already it is 0, right? So differentiation of constant 0 if x is less than 0. Coming to second question. What is differentiation of x power n? N into what is differentiation of power n? That is n into x power n minus 1. So here 1 by 2 is constant, right? So we take outside 1 by 2 into differentiation of x square, that is 2x. So 2 are getting cancelled, we get only x. So limit varies from what? 0 less than to x less than 1. Coming to third function, here k is constant, so k into what is differentiation of 4x? So you get 4 only. What is differentiation of x square? You get only 2x, right? So it is from 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. What is differentiation of constant? 0 if x greater than or equal to 2. Okay. So therefore we can write this what? 0 x less than 0. Second one, x varies from 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Third one is what? So k into 4 2x if x 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Okay, so this is called what? Probability density function. Okay, which means whenever they give capital F of x, we should know how to find small by using this method. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.